Hey there, Dr. Jordan Miller with Integrated Health Solutions, and today we are going to go over the push press exercise. It is a simple yet effective mobility exercise for the scapula and the shoulder blade. All that you're going to do, you're going to lie in a face-up position with a closed fist, taking the arm directly up from the ground, from the shoulder joint. You want to make sure that you're not increasing or decreasing that shoulder angle, so you want to go directly up from where that shoulder sits. And most importantly is you want to make sure that that shoulder stays as depressed from the ear as you can. The higher up towards that ear you get, the more active that trap becomes for stability. That's only going to increase and irritate this muscle on the upper portion of the shoulder. From that position, you're going to think about something about 2 to 3 inches above your arm that you're simply just trying to punch towards. You're not trying to elevate and rotate, lifting the whole body off of the ground. It is just a simple motion pushing upwards to feel that shoulder blade lifting off the ground very gently. Then you're going to allow that shoulder blade to come back into the ground and apply a very gentle force, almost retracting that shoulder blade kind of towards the spine. But again, you want to avoid that shrugging stability, taking the shoulder up as opposed to in. Then you're simply repeating that motion, pushing up, tucking back in. This is not about speed, it is about quality. So you want to do a elongated, slower repetition. It's going to be a little bit more functional. It's going to really help the brain understand where the scapula is guiding, both in protraction and retraction. If you want to make the exercise a little bit more challenging, grab something as a weight that you can put in the hand. The kettlebell is the best case scenario because it adds a little bit of a top weight going off towards the side, so it forces the shoulder to completely stabilize. But if you have something along the lines of a dumbbell or even a heavier bottle of water, any of that will do just fine. You're going to make sure to keep a good steady hold on that weight. Don't use a weight too high because the last thing you want to do is injure yourself by falling off towards the side. You're going to replicate the exact same motion, get a nice firm grip, take the shoulder, elevate it 1 inch or 2 off the ground, tuck back in, and repeat. Again, making sure to keep that shoulder as far away from the ear as possible. Do about 10 repetitions on one side, ultimately switch, do the same thing on the other side. Only other thing to keep an eye out for as you're tucking that arm back in, you don't want to see that elbow bend. It is not a bicep exercise where you're trying to push with the arm. That elbow should be locked out and straight the whole time, elevating the shoulder blade off and pushing it back down. Most common thing that we'll see is avoiding that shrug, but more importantly, is taking the elbow down towards that rib cage. You want to keep that arm in a lockout, lift up, drop back down. Try it in sets of 10, apply on both sides. Drop any questions you have below, and we'll see you next time, guys.